Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm having a slight issue right now. Ever since I put my strut bar on the car, my top mount intercooler is rocking back and hitting it. There's probably about that much clearance between the strut bar and the intercooler. So any little shaking of the motor, like trying to pull out or anything like that, and it just shakes ever so slightly, it makes the most awful noise you could ever imagine inside the cabin. So I actually just got back from Lowe's, and I got $2.71. Oh, it's not focusing. Whatever. $2.71. I got a little idea, and I got two. This is for copper, like water piping. This is insulation for water piping. So I got a fatter one and a skinnier one, and I'm going to be putting them basically around the strut bar to see if it quiets down my intercooler. Alright, so as you can see, here's my strut bar, and there is the gap, and I almost knew it would be a problem when I put it on. You can't even, I can't even fit a finger or anything through there. And then it's also touching right here, and you can see it's wearing it out right there. So, and it shouldn't be, but you can see that I can move the intercooler up off of this bracket a little bit. Not a whole lot, but enough that I know it's definitely vibrating. So I'm going to try and put something here too to alleviate that. But like I said, honestly, even with the texture, this almost looks like the water pipe insulation. So hopefully it won't stick out too bad. Alright guys, so I have the foam put on everything. I drove it around for about 2 hours with it on the strut bar and didn't get any vibrations. And then I actually decided that I saw that, I forgot to do this, and I wanted to make sure that I did that. So I actually ended up disconnecting these bolts to pull the bracket away, and then I put that on and pulled it back together and re-bolted it down. This was starting to get some sharp edges on it, so hopefully it won't eat through that foam. But if it does, I don't think that was really vibrating anyway. The major vibrations and rattle were coming from the intercooler touching the strut bar. So, like I said, it hasn't rattled, and I drove it for about an hour, and I tried to induce a rattle or a vibration, and I couldn't. So that's good. The reason I made it so big and covered the whole back end of the strut bar is just so that it's like if it slides around or anything, it doesn't really give me problems. But for $2 and some odd cents, to get some of this stuff, I didn't even need this one. So honestly, I could take it back and get $1 back. But what's the point? I might need that for something else down the road. But literally, so if you get that tube, it's like $1.30 to fix this. So if you're having this issue and you were like debating getting rid of your strut bar, or you already did, or anything like that, this is a solution for that. So definitely recommend it. I haven't had any issues. It's been, well, I drove it for an hour, but like I said, I tried to induce a rattle or something and I didn't get any. So as far as I know, it's all working. And even if it does fail, it's really cheap, and it didn't take me long to put that in there. I could always reinforce it, try a different way, but so far that's working. So anyways, guys, thanks for checking out another video. If this was helpful to you, please leave a like and let me know in the comments. As always, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.